This is Bruno Marquez. We are doing reviews. Yes, my furry friends. Now follow me, ring that bell, and if you want to hear more about Boxers Del Grego doing our review network, then reach out to me.
Hello. Welcome to the Boxer Dog channel with Boxers Del Grego.
Yes.
And today we have a special video for this amazing series about products. We're doing unboxings and reviews about good products that we really need and we think they're going to be perfect for large breed dogs, for every single dog, but especially sometimes it's for
Little ones.
little ones or big ones that
Or even kittens.
or kittens. This one is kind of like that one. It'll fit even a
So
cat.
we got this dog, or this watering thing, because we occasionally have a litter of puppies, and we wanted something that would give them fresh water. So this came into play. This is good for small breed animals, and it's also good for cats. So,
Yeah. So we were thinking about our puppies because you want your puppies really like safe and healthy. So we love this kind of things because it has filters.
Yep, and
As
it's
you
fresh.
can see. And it's really fresh. So we were thinking to have this kind of products.
Easy to set up.
And this one is really special because it has a cute mat. So no mess around. So you put the mat.
Yep.
And then you put your beautiful, and they have different colors and every single information about this product you can find it in our description box below, okay? And also you're gonna find some cool and beautiful and cute photos about the puppies drinking from this fountain. And it's gonna be in our Instagram and also in our Pinterest account. So please don't forget to go and check on our TikTok. We're everywhere. Okay? So you got it?
Got it.
Instructions, please read it for all of us.
First, operating instructions for this little watering fountain. Remove all the parts, clean inside the bowl with plain water. All right, and then place the pump inside the square indentation, which is right here. Feed the electrical device, the cord, in through the raised post and out the notch on the right. So this thing right here.
Oh look, it has like a remote control. I believe it's for the lights or something. Okay, so I'm gonna go now to put this little light over here.
Place the black square sponge inside the small indentation in the front of the pump.
I think it's already there.
That was really awesome they did that.
They did that for us.
Place the filter on top of the lid.
Okay, so then you have this. I think it's working because I can see a light. And you put it like this or like this? They say, oh, like this. So you have this little part
Yes.
down.
That's what I was thinking.
Now you cover it and it sure works. We
Let's
have
go.
water right here.
Oh, look at that.
It's working. And it has light, and you also can see the water is min or max. I'm kind of in the middle. So the cute puppies, oh my god, they're gonna love it.
All of them.
They're gonna love it. I have a cute pet right there, my cute puppy. Of course, you always have to check what we're doing. So this is an amazing and beautiful fountain. I think it has a good price for everybody. So if you have a, we'll probably have to talk like this. If you have a dog or a cat, that's perfect. And it has a good and beautiful mat. So this thing is not moving.
Big ones like Trooper, I think this is a little too small for them, but for little ones like pugs, Boston Terriers, Shih Tzus, things like that, perfect.
Don't forget to subscribe, and all the information and everything is in our description box below. But we're also gonna have more of this all around our social media. And we have a beautiful blog. We're gonna be talking about this a little bit more with the photo of the cute puppies. We love you. Thank you so much for every single comment, and see you in our next video of this amazing series about unboxing products and all the good products for dogs. Bye.
We love it, and lit up at nighttime. And who doesn't like a nice bright water fountain on a Saturday night? Am I right, my people? So I give this 2 paws way up and a wagging tail. You can find us on our Facebook group, Boxers Del Grego. We are on TikTok too, the Boxer Dog channel. We are on Instagram, Boxers Del Grego. We are on YouTube, the Boxer Dog channel with Boxers Del Grego. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, ring that bell, and give us a thumbs up. And join us again with Boxers Del Grego reviews. Adios. Tu amor, Bruno Marquez.
Oh my goodness.
So wet.
It's so wet. For you guys, and you know we're creating this amazing series about that's Molly.
That's it. Molly.
Oh my goodness, if you're a pet lover, you understand what's happening right now. Pretty much the dogs are all over us.
She's sleeping. Is she okay?
I think she's okay. Check. You okay, Molly?